So hi students, today we are going to discuss about the topic nested if and the switch cases. So agenda is the decision control statements, the nested if else statement and switch case statement. First, what is a nested if else statement? If else statement is present inside the body of another if or else statement, that is called as nested if statement. Let me discuss about the syntax. If the condition is true, these statements will be executed, or another if else statement will be executed which is presented inside the another one if condition. So this is called as nested if condition. Okay, if the condition 2 is true, these statements will be executed, else this else statements will be executed. So this is the inner part. Once the inner if else condition is over, then the outer else condition will be get executed. Once the inner if else condition is over, then only it will execute the outer else condition will be get executed. And we discuss about a small example. I am declaring a 2 variable and I am printing input variable of 1 and getting the variable. Again I am printing the input value of variable 2. I am getting the variable using the scanf. If the variable is not equal to variable 2, the variable 1 is not equal to variable 2. It will print like this. Then it will check the condition. If it is not equal to variable 1 is not equal to variable 2, then it will check the condition variable 1 is greater than variable 2. If the condition is true, the variable 1 is greater than variable 2 will be printed. Else the variable 2 is greater than the variable 1 will be get printed. Now the inner part is get over. Then it will come to the outer part. Otherwise, if it is not equal, it will print equal. That's all about the program. Let me check with the output. First, this will be get printed, input the value of variable 1 and it will scan the variable. I am giving the input as 6. Then it will collect the variable, input the value of variable 2, input the variable of variable 2. I am giving the input as 8. Now the variable 2 is equal to 8 and variable 1 is equal to 6. Then it will check if it is not equal to variable 2, and what it will print immediately, variable 1 is not equal to variable 2. You will get the output like this. Again it will check variable 1 is greater than variable 2. If it is true, this statement will be executed. If it is true or not, yes, it is not yet true. Variable 1 is less than the variable true. So it will print variable 2 is greater than variable 1. So this is the output of this program. Now you got understand about this nested if else statement. Okay. Next, let me discuss about the switch case statement. In this switch case statement is used to multiple options. If you have more than one option, you can go with the switch case. It is used to perform a different task for each option. So how to do a different options? Let me discuss about the small syntax. Switch, the expression or condition will be checked, and if the variable or if the expression is executing the each cases. If the case is not available, it will print the statement which is displayed in the default function. So very important case, the variable constant colon. It is very important. After the statements, you have to put a semicolon. Next, case 2, you have to put a colon over here, and you have to write the statements with the semicolon, and you have to write a default. It's also a colon. This is not a semicolon. This is very, very important point. Then this is a small flow diagram. If the expression is 1, the case 1 will be executed. If the expression is 2, the case 2 will be executed. If the expression is 3, case 3 will be executed. Otherwise, the default function will be executed. So let me check with a small example of switch. I am initializing the variable number is equal to 8. Switch, if it is switch number is equal to 8, so that it will check the case 1. If it is case 1 is 7, so then it will check the case 2. The case 2 value is 8, so it will matching. Now it will print the value is 8. If we check a small output, and it will display a value is 8. If I give a number is equal to 9, the case 9 will be executed. If I give a number 10, the default function will be executed out of the range. Then it will return the value. So this is about the switch case. So today we discussed about nested if-else statement and the switch statement with the example. Thank you.